order to paint the car, we have to disassemble a lot of things on it, such as lights, different handles, and different trims. We also need to cover certain things that we cannot take off, or we shouldn't be taking off due to those trims breaking down. So all we have to do is just mask it with a tape. There's a certain process of preparing, and in our situation, since it's a Raptor paint, you don't have to do much. Just get things out of the way and start sanding. Another gun. Since the shop got pretty busy during that period of time, so I've decided to do most of the preparation work myself to speed up the process. Test fitting fenders before the paint job. Well, fender flares, I'm meant to say. And as a reference, still has the old ones. Look at this. Yeah, the ones in the front look wider, and we kind of need it. A few little details to make everything match and look nice and even, and he's the one working on that detail. Sorry for the sound, which is a noise for some, but sound of work for others. We torched rear fender flares due to hardware getting rusty and being locked up on the body. Today where we are recording our process with Jeep. I thought that we're gonna do light sanding just so that Raptor bed liner would stick on to the body of the Jeep. However, Cisco, the guy who you see sanding on the right side of the Jeep, said that he's gonna make sure that preparation job is done as good as possible, and this way we wouldn't have to try to cover anything up with the paint. Everybody's busy. Even Luna is working on this 68 Mustang. He has a lot of work every day. We'll get back to it some other time. You can see how serious Cisco takes his job. He taped everything to the point where you cannot spill anything on the wrong spot in this car. And look at the hood. He just didn't like how it came out after sanding, so he said that he's gonna make the hood look extremely beautiful. If you think that only one person was working on this car, no, that's a mistake. In the beginning, there were 3 of us, even though you only see 2 guys in the beginning. And now you see that I was there the whole time, helping the guys. I honestly don't know much about paint job, but I know some, and that's enough to help the main guy, who is Cisco, at this point. And the actual paint process, as you can see Cisco and me behind the camera wearing mask that protects our respiratory system and not forget our eye. This material is very toxic, so you don't want to inhale any of it. And when spraying and curing process was complete, we decided to bring it out and let it bake in the sun. New project coming soon.